So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna use ChatGPT to help us out with this note. Now, I got a note here that says 3/4 inch cold water to heater. Now that's my note. So what we're gonna do, and we're gonna ask ChatGPT what he thinks about all of this. So I gave it this prompt. So I have a 3/4. Let's go down here. Let's do it like this. See if we can get some kind of traction out of this. So this is what we got in ChatGPT, okay? Yeah, I'm not the world's best engineer, and the engineer usually is going to look at this and put a note on here on this. Now my note is 3/4 inch cold water to the heater. Now, I asked ChatGPT. I told him that I got this 3/4 inch cold water pipe connecting to this small heater, this wall heater. So I'm asking it a question. Help me with this note. Use this note on the plan near the water heater connection. I like this. It provide, and it gives me this paragraph of a note. Looks pretty good. Clearances and all, a shorter arrow note could be. Okay. 3/4 inch. Provide shut off. Okay. So after I did that, after I told it what I had, I went down and just gave him an image of what I got. Put it right there for it to see. And here I told him that here's the image. Yes, and it says that that plan for that plan call out, clean it up. Okay, so now it's seeing it, so it's going to give me another note here: 3/4 inch manufacturer's requirements for a city submittal, because I think I asked it that I'm going to submit it to the city. Did I say that? Yeah, it will be submitted to the city, so it picked up on that note. So we're going to go down here and look at this city submittal. I would use this slightly more complete note. Okay, so we got this provide. All of it looks good on the drawing itself. I would change your current note from 3/4, which is just a really nice note from a rookie. And he says the 3/4 inch cold water to wall mounted hot water, or I would says 3/4 inch cold water. I would say to wall mounted hot water. Provide shut off valve. Okay, you can put that note on here. And what I would do, I think that what I would do, provide 3/4 inch cold water supply, all of that blah. Okay, connect. Now I would use this one. Go back in here. I would erase this. Come back over here. Now these notes have arrow connected to it. I'm gonna go up here and just add this arrow. Okay, and you can come down here and put it here. Do like this, and you can always add a arrow. We can edit that type and put an arrow on there. See, let's go down, put that 20% on it, like the 20% right there. Okay, now we're gonna go back. Let's go back. Now this is the note that I want. I'm gonna copy that. Let's go here and make it active. So we're gonna go over here and create these sheets. Okay, here's the sheets on. You can go up here and get the sheets also. Okay, there's none loaded, so I'm gonna right click on this, create a new sheet. Okay, So those are the sheets. Now that's only going to come with Revit, and you can create your own sheet. You're going to put it right there and say OK. And then here, what I would do will give me a text note. And text, we can put that right there. Let's go all the way in and do Control V. Okay, got Control V. Let's see if we can do anything to this. I think we can manipulate this in a little bit. So we're just going to go here and just kind of what happens. And from here, okay, it wants to, from here, so you would put your note, and you're going to put your view on here. You're going to put that. Let's go here, A101. Let's go back here. Let's go back. And we can actually go back to the views. I think these are views here. And we can drag that on here, can't we? I think we just kind of drag it on there. See? So you do that, and that's going to be one. Come back over here, put that there, and you're going to come back over. I think one is going to be in the families and in annotation symbols. Come over here. I think that's the first one. And you can put it right there. Escape out of this. Put a nice little one in there. Okay. So that's how that's going to work. So instead of me as a rookie, just ask ChatGPT, now what do you think? What do you think about all this? So I asked it a question. You just got to give it some parameters here. You just got to give it some parameters. And give it this part of it. Let it tell you what you want. You look at it, or you can give it to your engineer. See what he thinks about it. That's just the tip of the iceberg, as far as I'm concerned. Gives you all this information. Give it the image, and then it'll say, "Oh, now we're cooking." Say, "Yes, now that plan for that plan call out, I would clean it up like this." Okay, so it gives me that. Maybe I should have used this one, but I don't know. I think that where's my Revit sheet? And I can go to my, oh, I'm still on the sheet. Okay, so I can go up here. I like this. I like this. Provide 3/4 inch cold water, wall mounted, water heater. Looks pretty good to me. So I'm gonna stop it right here, guys. I just want y'all to know that Chat GPT can help you out if you just take the time and just look. It's there for you to take. Use it.